What's up, frigates? This video was shot just a month before the double disaster beatdown of Hurricane Hellen and Milton. Matt and Julie, who are featured in this video, live in the St. Pete Beach area, and their home was just short of destroyed. But the guitar shop survived. The entire community is still closed, but the shop is open via the website. So if you care to be supportive of your Florida locals, then maybe check out the website. Pick up a "I Survived a Beatdown from Hellen and Milton" t-shirt. Now to the video.
Stay to the right as much as you can. No weight craft on.
Sorry. Okay. Achievement. Now it's recording.
We are in. Oh, now I can see. We are in Three Sisters Springs, my absolute favorite springs. It's absolute madhouse in here today. There's so many people celebrating Labor Day weekend in really what is the most natural beauty, in my opinion, in one of the worlds. The water is incredibly blue, and I just snorkeled down and saw the, what did you call it, a keyhole?
Keyhole. The Sarah says that's not what it's called.
Well, I don't know what it's called, but it's literally where the water's coming up from the ground, making it freezing cold and super refreshing, I think, although grant's a total wuss. Amazing. You guys have to come here.
Okay.
Done.
Guide me out there, Julie. Let's get this done before I turn into frozen carbonite.
You're done. We'll melt you, don't worry. All right. Oh, hang on. My hair is in the way. This is why I put my hair in a stupid ponytail, so that I don't have to deal with it.
Ponytails are stupid.
Over here in a minute, I guarantee. Okay.
Holy moly.
You go. All right. Ready?
Yes.
Are they staying there?
Yes.
It makes no sense to us either, yeah.
Okay, bucket list achieved. Em, what'd you think? Yeah? Just one thumb up? I can't get 2 thumb up? Come on. Oh, whoops. Okay. You want to go check it out or what? Yeah, let's go just cruise through it. Or not through it, or whatever. I don't know either. I'm just going to do a quick circle out here. Yeah, buddy. All right.
Got a grip on everything, huh?
Oh, yeah. I mean, it sure beats a chest cam. See, I can still pull one of these.
Man, I go like a fucking pit bull. This guy goes, yeah, son.
Arr!
Hey.
We'll be on YouTube.
Yes, you will. Frigate Chaser Fishing.
It's always a party out here. You know, I was telling her the good thing about herpes, right? Can't catch it twice. I tried.
Oh, shoot.
You seen any fish through the bottom of your kayak? Fish, yeah. A fish? Yeah. Big fish. Going out. Well, those pants look shit, you lost your anchor. Oh, no, fuck, there he is. I'm here. Well, that's all. All the way.
Sorry, Matt.
Beautiful family.